Oh, I don't even see nothing.
Go.
I don't see nothing either. Was he in there? Was that the right door?
Word.
Hey yo, hold on, hello. Is this the RV off Ben 10? Oh, I'm tripping. This is the RV off Ben 10. Only OGs know. That's the RV. That's the RV.
I'm gonna check the other side. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Hold on.
They gonna be out there for hours searching for that nigga.
No.
Careful, the dog's not in there.
No, it's locked.
So I gotta tell you, if you can't get back there, they'll hit you on me.
Come here.
I'll go around.
Go. Go. Come here. Come here. Go. Go.
I can't even see nothing. Is he in there? Was he right there?
Where's he?
Oh yeah, no, that kid now got his ass.
Come here.
That kid now got his ass. Hell no, he right there.
Where is he?
Oh, you finna bite that nigga head? Oh, you finna bite your head, nigga. You better get up. You better move your head, Spotem. You finna bite your shit. All them dreads off. Hurry up.
Sergeant, I know you're in there. Put up your hands or you won't get bit by canine.
Yeah, bro, don't fuck with the kid now, Spotem. Right, get up out there.
Hey, I see you, sir. You're wearing all black. We're not playing, sir.
But that dog coming, bro. Better get your ass up, bro. That dog coming, bro. Hurry up, get up. Nigga, bro, he vicious. Nigga, hurry up, get up, bro. I'm scared to shit of dogs. You know my ass like that? Oh, hell no.
Don't reach for nothing. Don't fucking reach for that.
Leave that on the floor. Wait. Go.
Don't reach for nothing, bro.
Come out slowly.
Eric,
He's gonna go to you. Well, let me go.
Hey, don't move.
That dog like bite your ass still. They still.
Whoa.
If they let go, that dog gonna bite you.
We're being safe. Come out slowly. You won't get bit, sir. Go to over here. Get on the ground right here. Get on the ground right here.
I don't give a fuck about your leg. You get the fuck down here on the ground.
Bro, hold on, bro. Like, watch your tone, bro. I know I'm getting arrested, bro. You not gonna talk to me like that, bro. Like, come on, bro. Watch you, nigga. I'm now we fighting when I get to the ground. We gonna have this tussle, nigga. Who you talking to like that? I don't care about your elite. Like, come on, bro. Show you some respect. It's about respect with this shit.
Get the fuck on the ground. Yeah, you're still with your hands on your back.
Grab his leg. No, I'm playing. I'm playing.
Watch.
There.
I'm playing, chat.
Don't move.
Make sure he's not a threat.
I can't get him.
That's all right.
I got him.
Make sure he's not a threat. Come on. Make sure he's not a threat. I can't.
I got him. Don't fucking move. Don't move.
That K9 warned him, bro. That K9 warned him. That K9 smelt him. He want to bite his ass so bad. Don't let him go. Cause he might still bite his ass. He ain't safe yet.
That's a good boy. Watch him good.
Why you riding him like a horse, bro? Chill, bro. Chill. Pause. No diddy. You riding him like a horse. Is you riding him like a horse, bro? Chill, bro. What the fuck's going on, bro? You working up a workout?
We'll get it for you, man. We'll get it. We gotta make sure you're safe in the car first.
But that dog gonna bite his ass.
Make sure there's nothing else in there.
With the rapper now in custody, officers back at the scene of the crash would search the Corvette, finding a 40 caliber Glock 23 with a switch and an
Damn!
extended magazine loaded with 19 rounds.
You had to switch with an extendo. You just doing extra shit. Like, there's a certain amount you need on your gun, and I just feel like that's a certainly amount of extra shit. Like, externocity, that's what I call it. You don't need a Glock with a switch with an extendo. Don't you think that's too many attachments? Damn. The switch is the end of it.
Spotemgottem will be charged with possession of a machine gun, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, fleeing and eluding, and burglary of an unoccupied structure. At the time of his arrest, he had a suspended license as well as 3 warrants for probation violations.